Greetings, channel viewers. Today, I bring you an informative review of a product that can get you out of sticky situations on the road, the ninabei Tire Repair Kit. As drivers, we know how frustrating a tire puncture can be. This kit is a quick and effective solution to that problem. Let's start with its key features. The kit includes everything you need to repair a puncture quickly and easily. It comes with tools like a repair needle, tire plugs, and a mini air pump to reinflate your tire. The repair needle is easy to use and inserts into the tire hole, sealing it effectively. The tire plugs provide a solid temporary solution until you can reach a repair shop. The mini air pump is compact but powerful, allowing you to reinflate your tire in no time. It's compatible with most tire valves. The advantage of this kit is its portability. You can store it in your car trunk to be prepared for emergencies. In summary, the ninabei Tire Repair Kit is an essential tool for any driver. It will save you time and money in unexpected puncture situations. Find the purchase link in the video description.